An seachtain seo táimid ag foghlaim faoin mríthair fáe, to get or find, and the theme of our spellings is bruntainous, presence. So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
Oh, Jesus. Red alert! Red alert!
Yes, it's an irregular verb, bríthar na bhrialta. An aimsir caite. For me, I got. For two, you got. For she, he got. For she got. For a mar, we got. For shiv, ye got. For shiad, they got. An bhór, ní bhór. An aimsir láithreach. Fáim, I get. Fáin tú, you get. Fáin sé, he gets. Fáin she gets. Fáin mid, we get. Fáin shiv, ye get. Fáin shiad, they get. An bhain, ní ain. An aimsir áisteanach. Yoí me, I will get. Yoí tú, you will get. Yoí sé, he will get. Yoí she will get. Yoa mid, we will get. Yoí shiv, ye will get. Yoí shiad, they will get. An bhaigi, ní bhaigi. Breagán, toys. Ruther, bike. Pata, pet. Rivera, computer. Éadi, clothes. Bútasaí pella, football boots. Pichami, pajamas. Shouldra, jewellery. Dunnullig, for Christmas. Structure oberta, sentence structure. So as always, we start with the bríthar, fáe, followed by the subject, ábhar. We have our present, bruntainous, and dunnullig, for Christmas. And we can use agus, le, agus no, and with, or, in order to expand our sentences and have two. Mar hampla, for me ruther agus rivera dunnullig. I got a bike and a computer for Christmas. Fáin shiv pata dunnullig. Ye get pets for Christmas. Yoí tú bútasaí pell no pajami dunnullig. You will get football boots or pajamas for Christmas.
Agus táimid déanta, we're done.